Honorable Secretary Fernando de la Caña, the Department of Science and Technology. Sir, happy birthday po. Honorable Governor Jose Maria Zubiri Jr., our Madonna, the City Mayor of Valencia, Mayor Azucena Barbas, all those greeted or recognized a while ago. Napakarami po ninyong lahat. Napakarami po ninyong nandito ngayon. Colleagues at Central Mindanao University, pwede po kayong tumayo lahat. All the members of the Administrative Council, our churches, and our students. Salamat po sa inyong presence. Central Mindanao University is a level 4 university, and it is known all over the country, pwede po sa ASEAN and worldwide. I am the 9th president, and I'm really very happy to be with you this afternoon in this very important event. It is a true pleasure for me to welcome you to our beautiful province, Bukidnon, and the first cluster fiesta. It is our privilege to be the lead host for this year's fiesta. I am especially honored to welcome you to this celebration, which aims to promote technology, innovations, research and development breakthroughs, and products. This year's fiesta focuses on biofertilizers and biopesticides. I believe this is an excellent venue for our stakeholders, our potential adopters, our farmers especially, at this time when not only the Philippines, but even the world faces challenges in farming. Among these are the pollution and contamination of soil brought about by the use of agrochemicals. And these have detrimental effects on human beings. Biofertilizers and biopesticides are believed to be an answer to these challenges. Both are environmental friendly alternatives and will hopefully bring about sustainable agricultural production. We at Central Mindanao University, with our vision of becoming the leading ASEAN university, actively committed to the total development of people for the globally sustainable environment and humane society, continuously equipped to advance the mandates, especially on research, extension, and development, to contribute to nation building. Central Mindanao University is grateful to the DOST, the CARD, and other line agencies of government, including the local government units, and other non-government agencies, including the indigenous people, represented here by Dato Dick Suway of the 7 tribes of Bukidnon, are increasingly supporting us to come up with researches, products, technology, and innovations. Thank you for the funds and for the different forms of support that enable the university to generate and to disseminate knowledge and technology through the conduct of researches that helps its capability and productivity. This year, 2019, I just assumed January 1 of 2019, CMU has a total of 58 researchers, and 19 of these are funded externally. We are home of 6 research centers: SIBRIM, NSRZ, NPRDC, AAC, TLDZ, and JUMIN, and a home of great researchers like one of my best professors, scientist and university professor, Dr. B. Amoroso, an AST academician, and of course, Professor Emeritus. Of course, I have here one of the best mentors who just retired, Professor, and now Julie, we call this proclaimed Professor Emeritus, my best mentor, Dr. DOST-Philippines. SMU today garnered first place in having the highest number of intellectual property rights application filed in 2018 from the Intellectual Property Office of the Philippines. Thank you very much, Professor Bel Samingit, for your hard work. There are a total of 53 applications for now. Of these, 31 have certificates of registration ready for commercialization. Specifically, 2 trademarks, 26 utility models, and 3 industrial designs. And at the moment, we have 20 drugs for application. Today, we are proud of natural fungicide by CBREM, which is one of the innovations to be shared this fiesta. Through the research work, CBREM has generated a prototype product, the natural fungicide from indigenous plant. Right now, the natural fungicide is in the field of verification. We take pride that this natural fungicide has successfully obtained certificate of registration from the Intellectual Property Office of the Philippines. These endeavors made possible because of the research funding from the Philippine Council for Agriculture, Aquatic and Natural Resources and Development, for PICAR. We therefore extend our sincerest gratitude to PICAR, of course to our work celebrant, Honorable Secretary Fortunato del Peña, for the constant support which has greatly improved the research culture of Central Mindanao University. Of course, I am thanking the support of one of our CMU Board of Regents, the very active, the young and dynamic Regional Director of DOST-10, Honorable Alfonso Alangban. Through our research endeavors, we can hopefully continue to make contributions to our nearby communities, to our country, and even in the world. CMU, with the help of our local government officials, CMU belongs to Maramang, Bukidnon. Our mayor there is an outstanding alumnus of CMU, Honorable St. Joel Durumal. He is a lawyer, and we are actually constantly working with him. With now, of course, our very active, young and dynamic, Honorable Workers of the City of Valencia. I hope you will have a productive and enjoyable 3-day event. I am inviting everyone, if you have time, visit Central Mindanao University. Malamig po doon, marami po kaming fresh milk, choco milk, at marami pa pong iba. In behalf of the stakeholders of Central Mindanao University, welcome to this cool and peaceful city of Valencia, and soon visit CMU, one of the best university in the whole country. Thank you very much. Welcome, and may we express our happiness to have you here in our province of Bukidnon. Thank you very much.